Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a 6x12 we have in stock. This is a really cool little trailer. This is a 2019 Cargo Craft, again, 6x12 in a silver blackout. This one's got a ton of extra goodies on it. Does have a triple tube tongue on this unit, so it does tow really well with that triple tube tongue. They tie that all the way back into the frame and it pulls really well. You do have the diamond plate rock guard along the bottom, as well as a V-nose guard, and then you guys can see you've got all the LED running lights up there on top as well. Side door does have double lock protection with the RV lock and cam bar, and then you've got a gutter over that side door. Now this one also has the exterior party lights, so you guys will have great light off the side. These are LEDs recessed and angled down, so they give you guys some great light here. 3,500 pound axle and a 15-inch tire and wheel. You also have an aluminum wheel with this unit, and then this one's got a bunch of extra diamond plate all the way around the bottom, so you guys will have some nice rock protection all the way around the whole bottom of the trailer. It's also equipped with the power package. You've got an exterior GFI outlet right there and stabilizer jacks underneath the rear. These are really nice with single axles, especially because normally it will tip and pivot on that single axle when you guys aren't hooked up to a vehicle. So with those, you can put them down underneath the trailer and be able to get in and out of the back and not worry about it tipping. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close, of course. You also have the diamond plate wrap around that rear door jamb, LED strip tail lights, a couple of LED load lights here off the rear as well. So great load light here at night. Here's a better shot of this side so you guys can see that diamond plate goes all the way around. It is even on the ramp that exact same way. Now this one's very cool on the inside. It's got a full white diamond plate interior. Love it. It's insulated, so you've got insulated walls and ceiling, 6'6" interior height, and then that full diamond plate interior as well. Two of the bigger windows, these are the 18x44 slider windows with screens. They are tinted, you guys can lock them. You do have E-track in the walls, 4 D-rings in the floor, are amazing performance Nudo floor with the Drymax product underneath. Drymax does not absorb the water or moisture, and that's what's on the underneath side of this trailer, so much better than having a standard plywood floor. Now I'm going to come in a little bit closer for you guys so you can see a little bit better. 2 4-foot LED lights across the ceiling. There's your AC unit with a heat strip as well. And then you've got a light switch back here. This one's gonna turn on those load lights so you guys can drop that ramp and easily get light. And then you also have a battery and a power package. So that battery up there is a bonus. It's gonna run your puck lights. So these little guys right here, it's gonna run your spots off the back and those 2 party lights on the side. So you guys can have plenty of light without being hooked into a vehicle or a power source. And then you've got your 30 amp, which is gonna power up your 4-foot LEDs, your AC unit, and a heat strip. So lots of different options for you guys with this trailer. And then just try and get you a better, cleaner shot here of the full diamond plate interior. It's really cool. So here it is. I will post the price, and the stock number down below in the description so you guys can check that out. And as always, we would love to earn your business. Give us a call, 303-688-8485, or check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com.